Vijayalakshmi, born June 5, 1976, is an Indian film actress best known by her stage name Rambha. Rambha started her career with the 1993 Kannada movie Server Samana opposite Jaggesh. The same year she acted in a Malayalam film Sargam opposite Vineeth. She again paired up with Vineeth in Champakulam Thakkan. She then entered Bollywood and was paired up with popular heroes. For the film Sargam, she has won state award and the film received a national award. In 1993, she completed the movie Tholli Mudu opposite Prashanth. After its original actress Divya Bharti died of a sudden death. Her second Tamil movie, Ulathai Alatha, which remains her biggest hit till date, gave her a major breakthrough in her career. It was from this movie she started doing glamour roles which won her numerous fans. She even had a nickname Thadai as Haji Miss Thai. She has had huge success in South Indian films from the mid-90s till early 2000s. People loved her glamour roles and especially her gorgeous smile on the silver screen. She also had very tough competition at that time with hugely popular heroines like Roja, Simran, Meena and Nagma. While approaching the mid-2000s, Rambha stopped doing regular films as a new crop of young heroines started their reign in South Indian films. Rambha started her career as a producer with help of her brother with the movie Three Roses, in which Jyotika, Layla and Rambha are the lead characters. Unfortunately,